Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech and Tomorrow, where we explore the cutting edge idea shaping our future. I am your host, and this is Techwala, and today we are diving into one of the most mind-bending and the controversial concept of tech today: digital immortality. So, could it be possible that technology will one day allow us to live forever? Digital immortality refers to the idea that we can preserve a person's consciousness, personality, and the memories in digital form, operationally forever. So, this doesn't mean uploading your soul into the cloud just yet, but the concept is gaining momentum. It's about creating virtual version of ourselves using data, AI, and neuroscience. These digital could could one day talk like us, think like us, and even live on the after our body is gone. So, how would these even work? First is mind uploading. So this is the practical. This is not now practical, but it is theoretical process of the scanning and the mapping of human brain in in such detail that state can be transferred to a computer. Though we are far from doing this, projects like the Human Brain Project and the Blueprint Project are working on the mapping the brain. Second is memory preservation. So some companies are developing ways to digitally record a person's memory or personality through the interview, voice recording, and the behavioral data. So the goal is to recreate a person mind using AI. And number third is AI clones and the avatars. So think of it like a super advanced chatbot trained on every single thing you are even done, said and posted online. So that's your digital twin. And companies like Replica, Antonima, and Hereafter AI are already experimenting with these. And next is neural interfaces. So tool like Neuralink, Neuralink is a like Elon Musk company, could potentially act as a bridge between our brains and the machines, helping us store thoughts and eventually connect it to digital conscious platform. This is working like as so. Let's face it, human fear that for thousands of years we created myths, religions, and the legacy to try to live on. But digital immortality offer a new kind of the legacy, a new version of ourselves that could exist forever in the digital world. Imagine future generations being able to talk to their great grandparents and then questions hear her their voice and get advice from the digital version that still thinks and react like them. For some, that's comforting, for others, it's terrifying. But this tech comes with the massive ethical, spiritual, and social questions. So, first is, are these digital copies really you? Or are they just animations? Next is, what happened to the constant after death? Can someone else control your digital self? Next is, who owns your consciousness? The data company, your family, and the government. And last is, Code digital immortality. We used to manipulate or harm. Imagine hackers program a loved one's avatar. Also, these could create a new inequalities. Will only the rich get to live forever digitally? What about access control and abuse of this tech? So right now we are not even close to true digital immortality, but we are building the foundation. AI models are learning to mimic our voices. Neural data is being mapped, and the concept of digital twins is now real. Tech giants are really innovating in digital legacy tools, AI memory projects, and the brain machine research. The future could look like a mix of Black Mirror and the Matrix. But here's the ultimate question. If you could live forever as a digital being, would you? Would you embrace immortality or let your story end naturally? So, thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the fascinating world of digital immortality. It's a topic that forces us to think about life, death, and the identity in a completely new way. So, if this blow your mind, share it with a friend. Follow the podcast and here to YouTube for the full videos version. So, until next time, stay human or post human.